If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
All right, guys. So today we came back to a park. Oh, hey, buddy. Ready? Today we came back to a park that we found a trail on a couple of weeks ago. And we're going to continue to check out the trail. Come on, buddy. Come on, pal. Let's go. As you can see, Leo's ready to hit the trail. All right. It's a little warm-up. A little warm-up sprint before we hit this unexplored trail. This is the park. Ready, buddy? He's ready. Whoop. So the last time we were here, we went that way. We're gonna mix it up and go up this time. Go see what's up here. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on, big man. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. It is a Tuesday in February. Let's go this way, buddy. We can go up there. We're going to cut across here, see where this takes us. A little more shaded. Well, come on, pal. Come on, bud. Come on, let's go up. One of the reasons we wanted to come back here today is it's just so peaceful and quiet. Even though there's a park here, we have never seen anyone here in the few times we've been here. I'm gonna let Leo lead, see where he can take us. Okay, buddy. Which way, bud? Let's go this way. Where you at, buddy? Lead the way, handsome. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Come on, pal. Looks like Leo's taking the low road here. Did you get out, buddy? All right, let's get out of here, pal. Come on, let's go this way. Good job, buddy. Good job. That's interesting. Which way, pal? You jump across? Good jump, buddy. Should we go down? Okay, let's check it out. Come on, let's check this out. Hey, big boy. Come on. We can do it. Where is he? Kind of steep, buddy. Should we try it? Should we try it? Now let's go. You're right. Come on. Reverse. Reverse. Okay. Let's head up this way, buddy. Leaves. Come here, pal. Come on. Good job, buddy. Let's go this way. We'll jump over this thing. Okay, let's go this way. No real trail here, so we're just playing it by ear. Leo's doing a great job of leading the way. Buddy, I think this way. Buddy, I think this way. I think this way. Well, I wouldn't say we're lost, but we are a little turned around. But here's the main path up here, so no need to set off the flares and get too excited yet. Try over here. What do you say? Okay. That's a good job, buddy. trails to explore here. We've got a dog down there, so we'll wait a second. Leo definitely spots him. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Actually, you know what we'll do? They're waiting there. Let's cut through. If they're not gonna, we'll cut through. Nope, they are going to. Okay. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Okay, buddy. Always nice when there's other courteous dog owners, especially in an open space like this where we're just trying to get away from, you know, the hustle and bustle. So we appreciate that, guy. Morning. All right, buddy. Now, I think we're going to, didn't exactly do what we came out to do today, but there's plenty of days and we'll come back. All right, lawnmower man? Let's go. All right, buddy. Come on, pal. Come on. So we're just gonna finish up our walk with a slow stroll through the park here, and we appreciate you guys coming along with us. Thanks for coming with us today, and we'll see you soon. We'll say bye, buddy. Okay. Thanks, guys.